Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today I have a special guest here with me today. I do community work.
I do community
and
work?
This is one of my buddies I brought on my channel today.
What's the people that, the brothers?
Don't.
Oh.
So today we have a new setup. As you can see, my husband has figured out technology. So we have, we're showcasing technology on my channel today, and we're gonna just go into, he wants us to see his hats. He has hats on.
Because we have
Tell
a hat
us about
sale.
your hats,
We
sir.
have a hat sale. I need to adjust it because it's not proper.
Okay, we have a hat sale. Can you tell us about the hat sale?
Yes, it is $398 for 24 embroidered hats, right? And it's not just Richardson hats. We have all different types of hats that you can see, like this type of hat, which is your old school dad's hat. We have this type of hat right here, which is this is a visor with just regular embroidered. We have this one right here, which again, you guys have seen, or if you haven't, definitely go check it out. That video where we made these 24 hats for Wing Zone. We are the exclusive merch maker for Wing Zone. But this hat right here was very hard to find because it's black in the front and it's a smooth front too. There's no seam coming down the middle with red in the back, and because they just changed their colors. So again, everywhere, like we said in the video on Straight Outta Content, go check that one out. You can find red in the front, black in the back, but it was very hard to find these, and we can get these hats for you. But do we have the traditional Richardson hats? Yes. So please go check those out. We can do all types of embroidered, detailed embroidered. And babe, go ahead and tell them about how like something like this with looks like two different greens, a yellow and a white and a black. Mm-hmm. Tell them about how it doesn't, that $398 includes that price.
Yeah, so with our $398 embroidered hats, it is one location, unlimited colors. We do offer puff embroidery.
Yes, which is this
one.
But
yeah, I was looking for that one. But the extra fees, of course, because it's a cool little new pop of effect that's going on. And like my husband was saying, we can source any hat that you want, though $398 comes with the hat. So you just let us know, you would send us an email, so get that custom quote and make sure that we're able to source that hat that you need with those custom colors. It is unlimited color for your design. So with screen printing and things like that, you know, they charge by the color, but with our embroidered designs, it's unlimited colors, kind of like our DTF.
Transfers, yeah.
Yeah, it's unlimited colors with that as well.
Yes.
What else? Oh, our processing time for our embroidered hats is 7 to 10 business days. It's a little bit longer than our average DTF with our 3 to 4 business days turnaround time. With our embroider, it's 7 to 10.
Yeah.
And right now we do not have rush options for those, just rush options for our DTF, UV DTF, and our sublimation. Embroiders is a standard processing time. At this time, when that updates, we will let you.
Yep. Mm-hmm. So definitely check that out. Check out our hat sale. It's awesome. It's also on our website too. And if you want to get in contact with us, just email us. The reason why, excuse me, just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers. Oh snap, just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And the reason why we decided to go with that process versus putting the different hats and prices kind of stagnant right there on the website is because we know that you might come to us with a different hat brand. You might want a snapback. I know that we're working with one for Brian. He wants that flex fit with the black logo and stuff like that. And it's like one of one. And so there's a whole lot of different variations of hat styles that you may want. So it's much easier if you just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com and let us know specifically what you want. And then we will go ahead and source and let you know. Because what we don't want to happen is you jump on the website, you order 400 hats and they've got to be shipped or, you know what I mean, found and stuff like that. So that's the reason why we want you guys to send us an email.
Yes, for that custom quote. And if 24 hats might be too much, we do offer, lower quantity for a different price. This is a certain special that we have going on, which isn't including conversion fees and things like that. So just remember, this is a super sale going on. If you want something lower than 24, things like that, then you can contact us with those custom quotes and we can give you those custom prices for that.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna shoot right into our downloadable packs. We have this amazing sale, but our downloadable packs are thriving right now. We are getting, tons of orders for those. So let's go ahead, head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com.
Yeah, so while she heads over, I will tell you about what's special about our downloadable packs or our downloadable library, as I like to call it, as we are competing. You gotta find the mouse. No, you don't just keep shaking it, baby. You just gotta be gentle with it. So, in regards to our downloadable images, right? We are building a large library. We are trying to compete with, not necessarily compete with forums like Etsy, but we want to create a library of free and paid for images, which you can then go download and sell on other platforms. I'm hearing Kittl, Etsy, Kittl's another one. Kittle's a competitor to Etsy. Kittl, Etsy, and I think there's one more.
Creative Fabrica.
There you go. That one right there. I'm not even gonna attempt to say that really fast. So those three right there, as well as like Facebook and stuff like that, you can continue to come to us for these exclusive images, get them, and then go out and sell just the image itself. You can sell the image as a transfer if you're able to print transfers with us or whatever, or maybe even at your own home, or sublimation or stickers, UV-DTF stickers. You will have an array of options to make money off of just the, what are we gonna say, like the $2.99 glitter pack that's our #1 seller. And you can go ahead and tell them more about that.
Yeah, or like Carl was saying, pre-made gang sheets. You can offer pre-made gang sheets. You can offer individual images. If you're going to a kid's sporting event, you could, let me show you my downloadable packs here. Mom Life, if you want to sell t-shirts, individual images at a sports mom event. Hold on, let me show you. So we have Mom Life, and this is just a little bit of the messy bun mom. And all of these come with SVGs where you're able to customize and manipulate any of the images that you want. And then Sports Mom Bundle. I like this one. So if you are a mom on a basketball team and you want to create little memorabilia for each team member, you can with their UV-DTF, which I did that for my kids' basketball, passed out, the logos, and of course with their card. Check us out, flashcustomtransfers.com. But it's just something sweet. The kids, one of the boys had it on his water bottle.
Yes.
So I was like, oh, that's cute. So it just gives the kids something. If you want to make t-shirts for the moms, anything like that, our Sports Mom Bundle. If you just want to rock your own kiddo with your own, it's here for you. Those are $4.99, and not our high sellers. What is it? Our most sold downloadable packs
most
popular is our glitter and sequins. Aren't those funny? We sell those a lot a day.
All day. Ping, ping, ping.
$2.99.
And what I wanted to touch on too, and we're gonna make a dedicated video, but just if you made it to this far in the video, just understand, when you're selling on other platforms like Etsy and stuff like that, they're taking a percentage. If you buy these from us, once you sell them, it's 100% yours. So just remember that. And don't think that, don't let anybody of these other people, and we're gonna make a dedicated video, but all these other people are telling you to buy their course to start selling on Etsy, as if once you start selling on Etsy, you're gonna fall. Like if you say you were to sell glitter, like you're gonna fall right into the top of the rank. It just doesn't work like that. And what you end up doing is paying for their lifestyle by paying for their class. So that's just, little tips, Just a little tips from,
Jewels.
Yeah, just a little jewels, you know what I mean? I got a lot of, I don't know, I was gonna.
Don't let these hats fool you.
Yeah, don't let these hats fool you. Exactly, yeah.
Thank you for that, Jewel. Yes. Please take control of your own business and your own desk of it.
Definitely.
My faves, which is our teacher downloadable packs. I don't think people know about these. If everyone knew about these would be flying off the shelf, because everyone always asks me for teacher designs.
Oh yeah.
Teacher designs. And I never had them. And then I was like, you know what? Let me create a downloadable pack, teacher designs. And I have pre-made gang sheets with teachers. You guys wanted them so bad. And then I'm like, did they not know that I put them on here? Look, Santa's favorite teacher. That was my highest, where's it at?
Yeah, I don't know where you're pointing over here.
Well, I'm pointing at it right
I know,
here.
I'm pointing at it.
Right here. That was my highest. What are you doing?
There you go. You don't have to point into it. It's so funny you thinking it. There you go. There you go.
This is my highest single transfer that was purchased last year. So we sold this in singles.
Which one?
Santa's favorite teacher.
Was it really?
Yeah, and it sold like crazy. I was shipping singles out, bloop, 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 all season.
Oh, so we got to gear up.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it this season.
Alrighty then.
I'm just kidding. No, I don't know. Yeah, we're definitely gearing up for Black Friday. All of these things are just around the corner. And guys, we are working behind the scenes to try to figure out what's gonna go. And we might have a pre-Black Friday sale.
Yep.
Like Walmart is having.
Pre-orders.
So
coming soon. Let us know. Leave in the comments below.
Yeah, we're working on that. Just because last year was such a success with our Black Friday. So this year we're gonna try to kill it again. So please, we have teachers out there. We have our basketball, our football, our Selinas, of course, right here. Animal packs, those do really well.
Yeah.
And I really thought that these Nike swoosh this Nike inspired was gonna do really well because everybody liked football and Nike swoosh.
Well, we got to push it out there. We just landed it on the
We got a few orders, but not too many. And yeah, so that's our downloadable packs. And also we do have free stocked images. Stock images.
John Stockton. Yes, free stock images.
There we go. So these are all just, regular, generic. This one did really well. The healthcare worker for Christmas. So those did really well. And these are things that you can use you can resell them. You can set up gang sheets. You can sell individual. Either way, you can make money with these free images that we are providing. Excuse me. And they're all high resolution images. So please take advantage because this is what they're here for you guys to take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Flash graphics, if you need logo creation, background removal, resolution check, logo check, things like that, logo creation, you can email us at flashgraphics@flashcustomtransfers.com. And OG UVDTF, you can't go wrong with UVDTF. And there's something else. Gang sheet setup. We do offer gang sheet setup. 25. Yeah, go ahead and
there you go.
look at our gang sheet setup. And please be sure to read the details because those are very important.
Yes.
Flash sale, and remember, these are for standard processing time within 4 business days, and these are for next day print. A lot of people tell me, I don't see the next day print. Where do I do that? Where do I do that? That is these thumbnails right here. And if you scroll down, our downloadable packs here, and then our free stocked images.
Stock.
Your mouse is so... All right, so that is going to be the end of our video. If you have any questions about our 24 embroidered hats for $398, you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can visit us online to purchase any of these downloadable packs at flashcustomtransfers.com. And we will see you next time. Head on over to Straight Outta Content's channel. We just filmed a video over there, and we appreciate all your support. And I want to shout out to Mr. Woods real quick.
Oh, yeah.
I found out today that he has a boutique and custom tee brick and mortar shop, and I'm just so proud, and it's just so amazing. He behind the scenes, I don't know why I thought he would tell us, but I'm just so proud of him. So shout out to Mr. Woods, you and your wife, amazing, so proud of you. I'm so glad that we can be here to help you and support you, and in your business. So
he's got those mom images too on some of them white hoodies, sweatshirt.
Yes, Mr. Woods is with it. So maybe one day we can come and visit Mr. Woods.
Yeah, definitely.
Send us an invitation.
Send us an invitation so we can come out there. All right, guys.
And we will see you guys next time. Bye.